Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. And so I'm so excited because I know in my last vlog I talked about how I was about to go traveling, and I'm finally back home because I am such a routine person, and I have not been in a legit routine since July, which is honestly very insane because like I said, I'm such a routine person. But I'm finally back at the lake house. I don't know when I'm going to be traveling next, but I feel like something always comes up and I'm literally never in one place for longer than a week, and it's very just stressful. But we are back, and so I want to do some laundry today. I want to wash my sheets. And then I want this to be a big content day. This morning I was very productive. I didn't really film any of it, but I just applied to a bunch of jobs, did that type of stuff, and then now I'm kind of doing the fun stuff. I feel like I just get the applying for jobs first in the morning out of the way, and then I have fun the rest of the day. So I just did my makeup. I filmed it for TikTok, so definitely follow me on TikTok for that. I do want to do an updated everyday makeup routine for my channel because I feel like I haven't done one in a while. I just don't know how to film it here because it's a very different background and everything is just different, and so I don't know where I want to film it because of lighting and then just furniture, just everything. I just don't know how to film it yet, so updates to come on that. But yeah, I kind of wanted to go grocery shopping today. I don't really know that's gonna happen. So yeah, but I do also want to just do a quick little mini Sephora haul for you guys because the Sephora haul, the VIB sale just happened. I need to figure this out because I have no hands right now, so I need to go somewhere with better lighting and somewhere where I can put my phone down because this is stressful. Okay, give me a second. Okay, I literally went through all of that to literally just end up in the same exact spot that we first started in. But I want to do a little mini Sephora haul because I'm so excited about the products that I got. So to start off, this is from Tarte, and I just got this little sampler of this. So I've been seeing everyone talk about the I don't know how to pronounce it, Marcucci Juicy Lip Plumper. So this is the packaging, but this is what the product looks like, and so I'm actually so excited to try this out. So this is what it looks like, and I will keep you guys updated with how I like it. But yeah, this literally went viral on TikTok and I saw it and I was like, I literally need to have it. So I picked that up, and then I also just got a repurchase. I absolutely love this product so much. It's from Sephora Collection, and this is their Vitamins C and E Ultra Glow Serum. This is such a good product, especially now that we're in the winter seasons. This is gonna be perfect if you have a drier skin and you want just a very glowy makeup look. This product is perfect for it, and I was completely all out of my old one. I think I've repurchased this 3 times because it's so good. And then lastly, I am so excited about this because this is going to be a series here coming up soon on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna do it in short form, the YouTube shorts. I've been posting on YouTube shorts recently, so let me know if you guys are enjoying that. I've been getting way more views on my YouTube shorts versus my actual content here, posting an actual video. So I am going to be making this a series on my YouTube shorts. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. But I got the Sephora Collection Wishing You Advent Calendar, and I've never had an Advent Calendar before in my entire life, and so I'm honestly so excited for this. So this is what it looks like. So every day starting December 1st, I will open up the option, whatever day it is, and then try the product out on camera with you guys. So I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing it, like I said, here on my YouTube shorts, and then I'm also going to be doing it on TikTok as well, so make sure you're following me on TikTok. So yeah, I'm literally so excited for this. Like I said, I've never done an advent calendar before, and I'm really excited. But yeah, that was everything that I picked up in the Sephora haul. So yeah, but anyways, like I said, today I just want it to be a very just content day and just like very productive, just kind of like get back on track, because whenever I'm traveling, I'm not productive. I'm not reading, I'm not applying to jobs, I'm not really like posting here on YouTube. I'll post here and there on TikTok, but I just feel like when I'm traveling, I'm just like not being productive. So I'm excited to just have a very productive day. This is my first day back at my lake house, so just really just like kick off the lake house day with a productive vlog. So I'm so excited. It's Friday. Yeah, I need to finish unpacking and just read a little bit. I'm currently reading Mad About You. I don't know how I feel about it, but I'm currently reading that, so I want to finish that either today or tomorrow, probably tomorrow. I also want to film like a current favorites video as well. So like I said, just very productive with the content, reading, applying for jobs, all of that. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get all of my current favorite products together. So I wanted to do a little like behind the scenes to filming for my YouTube channel and kind of just like how I plan stuff out. So I am a big user of my notes app. I just have like a running list of just like TikTok ideas, YouTube ideas, like etc. And I just like keep adding to it. So I am going to right now make a list of things I want to include on my current favorites video. So I'm just gonna kind of go through like what are some products that I have been loving recently, whether it's makeup, fashion, books, etc. And I will just go ahead and so I'm gonna do like a current favorites note on my notes app, and then like I said, just go through like my daily routine of like things that I have been loving. So that's basically how I do it. I'm gonna be doing that, which is pretty easy because I just was traveling, so I'm literally just like going through like my makeup bag and like what I brought when I was traveling, because obviously I'm bringing like my favorite products when I'm traveling, and just kind of go through that, write it down on a list, and then I'm gonna bring all the products here on my bed and then film the favorites video. So that's just like a little something that's just like super simple and easy, but like I'm such a list girl where like literally my entire life is in my notes app on a list. Whether it's like a grocery list, like jobs to apply for, or a to-do list, or literally anything is in my notes tab. So I'm gonna go ahead and form this list of items and then film the video, and then I can go ahead and wash my sheets because I wanted my sheets obviously in the video. I didn't want it to just be a plain bed, so then I can do that. So yeah, that is the current update. So it's a little bit later. I just finished filming, editing, and uploading my current favorites video. So definitely go watch that if you haven't already. So I just went ahead and uploaded it. So it is now live, which is very exciting. So definitely go watch it if you haven't already. It is just so dark and like dreary out here. I don't know if you guys can like tell, because sometimes I feel like the lighting on the cameras like are not the best, but that's what it looks like outside right now. But yeah, that's what it looks like outside. Very dark, dreary, not fun. It's also like freezing in here, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the fire on, but I'm gonna go ahead and have a little snack. So I have been obsessed with making hot chocolate recently. Like it is just like my new favorite thing. So I got this the last time I went to the store, this like hot chocolate mix, and so I'm gonna go ahead and make some of this, and then I'm also gonna go ahead and have a scone. So if you guys are not getting the scones from Trader Joe's, you are missing out. They are so good. So these are just like their vanilla bean scones, so delicious. I didn't really know that Trader Joe's had scones. I never used to look in like their bakery section, but recently I've been looking in their bakery section and I saw that they had scones and I was obsessed. So they had vanilla. I think their flavors like change seasonally, because they had a like pecan maple one, which I'm allergic to, so I couldn't get that one, but I feel like that's a very like fall flavor. And then they also had like a lemon poppy seed one, which that to me seems more like summer, but they had that one, but I don't really like lemon or poppy seed, but they had vanilla, and The vanilla ones are so good. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and make some hot chocolate and have a scone, and then I think read my book because I've just been doing like content. Oh my god, is that a spider? I don't know what the fuck that is. I'm gonna have my dad deal with that later. But yeah, then I'm gonna read my book because I feel like I've just been doing content all day. I applied for jobs this morning and then filmed, edited, and uploaded that video. I filmed and posted some TikToks as well. I still need to film some more TikToks though, because I have this like list of like 10 ideas. But I think while I eat my scone and drink my hot chocolate, I'm gonna read my book. I'm currently reading Mad About You, so that is a little update. Okay, I'm literally so dumb. I forgot that I always like get the water or milk, whatever you have on hand. I just have water, like warm first and then you put in the hot chocolate packet, but I put in cold water and then the hot chocolate packet, and now I'm putting it in the microwave. So I hope this turns out good because I'm a little nervous because when I was mixing it, it was like really like crumbly and like just very like, what's the word, not crumbly, not crumpy, fuck, what's the word? Like, it wasn't all smooth, it was very chunky. Chunky, that's what it is, very chunky. And so, I'm honestly like a little worried about this, if I'm being completely honest. Okay, let's like mix this again. I really don't know how. Well, it's not as chunky anymore. So I think that's good. I probably just need it to be a little hotter. I can't believe how much of a fail that was. Okay, anyways, now I'm gonna go ahead and get my scone. These, like I said, you guys, are so good. This is like the packaging that they come in. So good. All right, we have the hot chocolate. It's in my Puffy Muffin mug. This is a restaurant in, I think it's in Brentwood, or maybe it's in Franklin. I think it's in Brentwood, which is right outside Nashville. And then I have my scone and I am so excited. Hello guys, so it's a little bit later. Is it 5 or 6? Okay, it's 5:18. And I'm about to make some dinner. Well, basically throw the dinner in the oven. So I've had this for a really long time. I ended up not going to the grocery store because quite honestly, I was just too lazy to. But you can get this from Trader Joe's and it's actually so good. So it's just like their frozen, already made lasagna. So all you have to do is put it in the oven. But I always forget how long it takes. It literally takes 60 to 65 minutes to cook, and then you remove the film and then cook it again for another 5 minutes. So it takes like a very long time, and I'm hungry right now. But we're just gonna have to wait a whole nother freaking hour, basically like an hour and a half. And I am in my fridge right now. This lighting is actually like really good. And I don't really have anything to like snack on. I'm not a big snacker, you guys. I do not like snack food. Like a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, like snack foods are my weakness. Like I literally do not snack. I have like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or like I have breakfast and dinner. Like I don't know, which is probably why I eat at like 5 o'clock. Okay, so here is what the lasagna looks like now that I took it out of the oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this cool off and then go ahead and have it for dinner. Also, I'm currently watching The Dropout on Hulu, and I thought I've seen this show before, but I guess I never have because I started watching it and did not like remember it, but it is so good. The book that I read the other day, Cover Story, this was kind of inspired by it. It's inspired by like Inventing Anna, Catch Me If You Can and The Dropout. And like I said, I thought I've seen this show, but I never have, but it is so good. I'm almost done with the series and I'm really excited to finish it. It's a little bit later and I have just been reading my book, and honestly this book is like getting a lot better. I have never like not finished a book before, but I was honestly considering it with this book because I just like was not into it. I don't know, I just feel like I am kind of in like a reading slump right now, and so I'm trying to break out of that, but this book is getting better, so I really like that. But anyways, I think I'm gonna go ahead and shower, take my makeup off, just kind of get ready for bed. It is 8:30 right now. So I kind of want to just like get cozy in bed. So that's what I'm gonna do, but I figured I would go ahead and end the vlog right here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on all my social medias. I will link them down below for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.